I know you love tricks that help you finish your work faster, and this is one of them. So, if this is something new for you, it will have a big positive impact on your work. Hi, I'm Dragoș from the SQL Hero. Nice to see you again. And if this is the first time that you are watching one of our videos, hi and welcome. I assume you are working with SQL, so this is the perfect place for you to learn and improve your SQL skills. So be sure to subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button in the bottom right corner, and in this way you won't miss any of our new videos. So let's say we have this query. It's a simple one. Let's bring it a step further by adding an inner join with the employee table. We can see that we have an error here. Let's execute it, and exactly these two columns give us an error because they have the same name in both tables involved in the join. So in order to fix this, we will have to add the prefix to all these columns. I'll start by writing it line by line. Let's stop here because there is a faster way. But before that, let's do a little exercise. Write in the comments below if you know how it can be done faster. So you can stop the video, write a comment, and then continue. Are you back? Let's do it faster. Put the cursor on the line you want to write the prefix, press Alt, Shift, and the down arrow key from the keyboard, and voila! Now the cursor multiplied on all rows. So we can write the prefix on all rows by typing it only once. Now we can run the query, and it works. So did you know about this? If yes, after what time did you learn about it? Share your experience in the comments. This is not everything. We can use this trick for other statements too. Let's say we want to update these three columns and replace the null with a not applicable string. You'll see how fast we can write this statement using the writing on multiple lines and selecting on multiple lines. Now let's select the three columns: title, first name and middle name. Copy it, paste it in the set part. You can see I use this trick a lot because every time when I have to do the same thing on multiple lines, it comes in handy. Now run the update, and checking it, it looks good. You can see it went really fast. And another benefit is that you end up with a clean code, easy to read and easy to reuse. So only benefits. This was it for today. Thank you, and don't forget to press the like button if this was useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. If you want to see more tricks, watch our work stories compilation right here. And if you are looking for some music for work, study and chill, check our Code With Me playlist here. Bye!